This is an experiment suggested to me by YouTube user Shazza186Bisar to test Phuket Word's idea, and indeed other gravity deniers' ideas, that weight, and thus I suppose ultimately force, is due to density and density alone, that gravity does not exist. The idea is to put some ice into this cup and weigh it before it's melted and after it's melted completely. Since ice is less dense than water, the more dense water, if Phuket Word's theory is correct, should show an increased weight, increased force upon the scale. The mass, of course, or the amount of H2O within the cup will not change during the melting process. So, I'll just tile this. Let's weigh the empty cup, and I'm going to put a lid on this as well to prevent evaporation. So the total weight of the empty cup and lid is 16.86 grams. So I'll just make a note of that. 16.86. I'll now put the ice in. Lid back on, and we see the weight has increased to 65.45 grams. Thus the weight of ice in there is 65.45 minus 16.86 grams. Now, because my balance switches off automatically, I'm going to tear it to 0 and take the whole system off, which gives us the negative weight, 65.48 grams, which is within the limits of the accuracy of the balance. Put this back on, should go back to 0, and I'll come back in a couple of hours when the ice is melted, and we will reweigh the contents by them melted to liquid. We'll reweigh the contents and see if there's been an increase in weight. Okay, most of the ice is now melted, so there's been no change in the actual mass of water molecules, that is, number of water molecules in the cup, but it has increased in density. So we now need to weigh it and see if there's been an increase in force as detected by an increase in weight. So we'll switch the machine back on. And we need to wipe away some condensation from the air, which would otherwise interfere with the result. So let's just put back on and tear it 0 still. We take it away and we see it weighs 65.52 grams, which is just about the same as the previous weight of 65.48 grams. A 40 milligram difference in weight, which is within the limits of the accuracy of the balance. So, Phuket Word, I quote from Shazza186Bisar's message to you: over time the ice will melt and its density will change. If there's any change in the recorded force, then you have a scientific argument to put forth. If there's no change in the force, then your argument is disproven. I think we're showing you, Phuket Word, that your argument has been disproven. It is not just density involved in pushing the balance down. There must be another force, and that force is gravity. Thank you, and until next time.